What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute, so giving a quick update. Last week I did a lot of work last week and towards this week, but overall in 7 days I made $3,000. So big shout out to me and all this work I had to do last week. But it just comes to show if you work hard enough, I guess money start paying off. But overall, I was happy. I was able to go to the gym 5 times, so I did make some time to go to the gym. And I'm obviously recording this video. It's a little late at night, but I get to do that. And yeah, it just comes to show what kind of money I was able to make last week. And if anybody's interested in becoming a mobile mechanic or any ideas, feel free to reach out, ask any questions. And it really doesn't require too much, just mostly you have to have the patience, and that's about it. But that was my goal probably since like last year, to at least have a week of $3,000. I've hit $2,000, but $3,000 like was literally my breaking point. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions on how I did it, or how did I manage to do all this in 7 days, just hit me up.